Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video you are going to be learning how to resolve issue on mostly Laravel application or other application you built and you use migration to run the database table. Okay, so in some cases when you try to delete the column of the table, it triggers an error. So let me show you for an instance. So here we have head of department ID. So in this case, this is a real world project. So if I try to drop it, it's going to throw an error. As you can see, it says cannot drop index requisition from head of department ID needed in a foreign key constraint. So the foreign key constraint is saying that okay, this guy is tied to another table, and that table is tied to this head of department ID for easy navigation, that is easy linking. So in order for me to delete this column that we have here, I have to take out the foreign key first before deleting the table, because obviously the index is not an issue. So also if you try to take out the index for the head of department, it's also going to throw the same error because the index is also linked to the foreign key user. Okay, so how do we solve this problem? It's very simple. So click on drop, and all you need to do is to copy the same SQL you have here from from the key section, from the indexes area. So just go to your SQL and drop it inside it. So when you drop it inside, all you need to do is to change this drop index. Instead of index is going to be foreign key. So we type in foreign key. So now the new SQL query is now, it now says author table, the requested table that you want to take out, then you drop the foreign key. So this applies to both Laravel application, Python application, those who works with migration a lot, and time with foreign key for dependent. So this works perfectly. So when you run this now, drop the foreign key, then it will automatically enables you to take out the column. So I will go ahead now and click on go, and as you can see, it's going to ask you, do you really want to do this? And you click on OK. Now as you can see, the foreign key has been dropped. So I will now go back again to the table. So if I go back to the table and I go to the structure, this is the same guy and I want to now delete now. So I will click on drop and I click on OK, and as you can see, while it works. So that's how simple you can take out a column that is tied with a foreign key, either in Laravel application or any application that require migration or automated foreign key connection. Yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching this short video. See you in my next one. Bye.